Oh, man.
Right. Thank you. As I said, they go from one theme to another one, and I've got a humorous one here. Back to high school days when I worked at an ice cream parlor. All the boys worked at I was working the candy counter this one day at Plush Horse. It's called cashews, and yes, there is a bad word in here. I replaced it with a non-bad word. You can guess which bad word it should be when it comes there. You'll get it. This is called cashews. Once, I was working behind the candy counter, and Matt came up behind me while I was serving this customer, a young guy ordering a pound of cashews. He was a heavy-set guy, the customer, that is, and Matt was thin and quite the womanizer at the ripe old age of 16. Well, even though I wasn't dating anyone, Matt walked right up behind me while I was serving this customer, and he whispered in my ear, "Do me till I bleed." And then he walked away. I stood there, candy scoop in hand, staring for a brief moment. I was sure that this customer heard the remarks, so I finally just said, "Oh, the people I work with," trying to hide my blushing and finish scooping the cashews. My goopy story.